Hi there, Ty here with Canix. In this video, we'll be going over how to add a bill of materials when you're adding a run to your manufacturing batch. So this may not apply if you're using templates and already have them set up, but let's say you're building a batch from scratch for the first time. In this case, we're working on 1/8 jars, and we'll call this new run packaging, type packaging, and then we'll have the option to select a bill of materials. In this case, I've got one pre-set up, Blue Dream jar recipe. And once I select that bill of materials, I have a few more options to fill in. So for your Canvas output items, it is possible to set up a bill of materials where you have multiple output items. So say you want to set up one bill of materials for different eighth jars, different strains. This is the stage where you'd select which strain are you working on in this specific run. So Blue Dream, in this case, your Canvas source items are also influenced by how you set up your bill of materials. So in this particular example, I've set up the bill of materials to only include A-buds. So this search bar gives me the option for any items I have available that are A-buds. In this case, we'll grab the Blue Dream once again. And finally, you'll set up your estimated output quantity. Let's say we're doing 100 units of these. You'll see that the jars increase, the lids increase, the labels increase as I add this additional output quantity. You also notice that the gloves stayed at 5, regardless of the output. It's another feature of the bill of materials to be able to set a fixed non-cannabis material that doesn't change regardless of how much you produce. But in this case, let's say 350 grams. And then when we hop into the actual run itself, we'll see that all of that NCI has already been applied with the associated COGs. And we're able to select a specific package for our source inventory if we'd like to. We can also adjust this output package, add waste if we need to, add our labor hours as normal. So hopefully that makes it a little easier to incorporate the correct raw materials when you're adding a run to a batch. Thanks for watching.